What do you have? Are you excited? I think that we're supposed to put bees in that. What do you think? Can you push Mama? Bee, can I get in it? Can Mama get in it? Bee, can I get in it? Yeah. Can I get in it?
Yeah.
Bee, what is that? What did you get? Bee? No. Let's not go up the stairs. No. Bee? Look at Mommy. No.
No.
Bee? No.
Michael Brent. No. Come on.
Come back down. Good job. Thank you.
Where's your cars?
Go get your cars.
Where's your cars?
Bee, go get your cars. Where are they, Bee? No. No. Look, where's Dada? Bee, where's Dada? Go get him. Dada's not reinforcing.
Come back. Come here.
Did you choose something you weren't supposed to? Come on. Gotta come down. Come on. You're doing good. Keep going.